At 69, people ask me all the time, how do you stay stronger than guys half your age? The truth is, it's not about magic pills or impossible workouts. It all starts with nutrition. In this video, I'll show you my nutrition mastery protocol, exact strategy I use to fuel my body, preserve muscle, stay lean, and feel 20 years younger. I'll cover my clean keto method, my macronutrient blueprint, meal timing tricks, and the specific foods that keep me strong at nearly 70. Stick around because I'll also share my go-to shopping list and some meal prep hacks I swear by. Ready to change how you age? Let's dive in. Why seniors must prioritize nutrition. As we age, we lose approximately 1% of our muscle mass every year after the age of 40. That's called sarcopenia. The problem? Muscle is not just for looks. It's your metabolic engine, your protection against falls, weakness, and even cognitive decline. And guess what? Nutrition, not exercise, is the foundation. Without the right fuel, your workouts don't matter. Think of your body like an old car. It doesn't just need gas. It needs premium high-octane fuel. My clean keto approach, I follow a modified clean keto diet. That means 70% of my daily intake comes from healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and grass-fed butter. 25% from high-quality proteins like wild salmon, eggs, and grass-fed beef. 5% or less from low glycemic carbs. Think leafy greens, zucchini, cauliflower. I don't count every gram, but I stay mindful. It's no dirty keto, no processed meats, no vegetable oils. Why keto? It promotes ketosis, which helps me burn fat, lower inflammation, and maintain lean mass, even without eating all the time. Meal timing and intermittent fasting. I eat twice a day, first meal at noon, last meal by 6:30 p.m. That's an 18 to 6 intermittent fasting window. Why it works? Keeps insulin low, increases growth hormone, improves mental clarity, and gives your digestive system a break. I used to snack late into the night. Fasting fixed my sleep, energy, and helped me shed belly fat. Fasting and keto go hand in hand. It's how I avoid hunger and keep cravings under control. It's my macronutrient blueprint. Here's how I break it down for a standard day. Fat, approximately 130 grams. Protein, 100 to 120 grams. Carbs, less than 30 net grams. I use a simple tracker 2 to 3 days a week to make sure I'm on point. Protein is crucial, not just for building muscle, but for preserving it. Aim for 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight as a senior. Don't fear fat, it's your fuel. But choose anti-inflammatory fats, foods that keep me strong. Protein power, wild-caught salmon, grass-fed beef, cage-free eggs, sardines, healthy fats, avocados, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, macadamia nuts. Clean carbs, kale, spinach, arugula, cauliflower, rice, zucchini noodles. Key additions: Himalayan salt for electrolytes, apple cider vinegar, bone broth for collagen. Shopping list essentials: proteins, eggs, salmon, ground beef, chicken thighs, sardines, fats, EVU, butter, MCT oil, avocados, coconut milk. Veggies: spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, pantry, chia seeds, hemp hearts, almond flour, apple cider vinegar meal. Prep hacks: batch cook protein on Sunday. Pre-cut veggies and store in glass containers. Make fat bombs or keto muffins to avoid reaching for junk. Use a whiteboard to plan your meals. Saves time and stress. If you follow this protocol consistently, in just 30 days you can expect more energy, better sleep, fewer cravings, noticeable strength gains, a leaner midsection, and most importantly, confidence in how you feel and move. This is nutrition mastery, not guesswork. I'm not superhuman, I'm just consistent. So if I can do this at 69, you can too. If this helped you, please like this video. Comment below, what's your #1 nutrition struggle? Subscribe for more longevity strategies. And check out my other video on body transformation after 60 for a full blueprint. Body transformation after 60. My proven blueprint.